3. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an auto conversion in Wise. First, sign into your Wise account and open the Balances section. Select the balance for the currency you want to convert automatically. Next, look for the Auto Conversion option and click Set up Auto Conversion. Choose the currency you want to convert from and the currency you want to receive. After that, set your preferred exchange rate or conversion condition. Decide when the conversion should happen. Review the estimated rate and any applicable fees, and make sure the settings match your currency conversion goals before continuing. Now, review all of your auto conversion settings one final time and confirm the setup. Once it's active, Wise will automatically monitor the exchange rate and perform the conversion when your specified conditions are met. You can return to this section at any time to edit, pause, or cancel the auto conversion. Finally, monitor your balances and conversion history to confirm that your automatic conversions are working as expected. Keeping an eye on your activity will help you verify that funds are being exchanged according to the rules you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up an auto conversion in Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.